Hello friend, today I'll make Bhut jolokia picante. What is Bhut jolokia picante? I'll show all recipe. I use that Bhut jolokia chili sauce and coriander stick, some passion fruit syrup, and this is patron tequila based cocktail. I will use a patron. I use this coriander stick. I take some stick, jalapeno, red jalapeno. Always make this cocktail red jalapeno. Muddle nicely. Nicely fragrance come. Twenty ml lime juice, 20 ml passion fruit syrup, 60 ml tequila, patron tequila, rim half rim glass, chili rim glass, lots of ice. Nicely shake now. Double stir. This is Bhut jolokia sauce, chili sauce. Not much hint of Bhut jolokia sauce because this sauce is very spicy sauce. This jalapeno chili, red chili, and some coriander leaves. This is called Bhut jolokia picante.